Hello, our future astronomers. Welcome to our exciting journey through the night sky. Today, we are going to learn about the stars, constellations, and the amazing things you can discover just by looking up at night. Let's start with stars. There are many different types of stars in the universe, from protostars to red supergiants. Stars are like distant suns. They can be categorized according to their mass and temperature, each shining in a different color and brightness. Some are red, some blue, and some are even yellow like our own sun. Everyone can enjoy this reality by simply looking up at the night sky. Can you believe that some of these stars are much bigger and brighter than the sun? Stars are also classified by their spectra, the elements that they absorb, along with their brightness or apparent magnitude. The spectral class of a star can tell astronomers a lot about it. Beauty aside, there are scientific reasons why stars have different colors in the night sky. The size and color of a star depend on its age and life cycle stage. Look up at clear night sky and try to spot the brightest star you can see. That's probably Sirius, the dog star. It's part of the constellation Canis Major, which looks like a big dog in the sky. Speaking of constellations, they are like connect the dots pictures in the sky, made by joining bright stars. People from different cultures saw different pictures in the stars, like lions, bears, and even mythical creatures. One of the most famous constellation is the Big Dipper, also known as the Pau. The Big Dipper is part of the Ursa Major, the Great Bear. And see, those two stars at the end of the Big Dipper's bowl? They are called pointer stars because they point you to the North Star, Polaris. Polaris is like a cosmic compass. If you find Polaris, you will know which way is north. Isn't that cool? Now let's talk about the moon. Have you noticed how it changes its shape from night to night? We call these the phases of the moon. Sometimes it's a full circle and other time it's a thin crescent. It's like the moon is playing hide and seek with the sun's light. But why does this happen? It's because the moon orbits around Earth and the sun's light shines on a different part of it. This creates the different phases that we see from Earth. Oh, and have you ever heard of a solar eclipse? That's when the moon comes between the earth and the sun, casting a shadow on the earth. It's like the sun taking a short nap. And there's a lunar eclipse that happens when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. It's like the earth giving the moon a little nighttime hug. Exploring the night sky is like a treasure hunt. There's so much to discover, from shooting stars to planets like Venus and Jupiter. And remember, you don't need any fancy equipment to enjoy stargazing. Just your eyes and a clear sky. So, my young astronomers, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you are gazing at distant stars, telling stories through constellations and witnessing the dance of the moon and planets. It's a universe of wonders waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic adventure. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop reaching for the stars. Bye bye.